you guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why it feels like I've been gone for like so long when it's only been like 2 weeks, but anyways, we are back with another video. This video is inspired by the autumn leaves as we are in this autumn fall season. So let's get right into it. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows. I'm using a concealer to conceal the bottom of my brows, and then I'm going in with the Plouise base in Rumor 4 to prime my eyelids, and I'm just gonna pat in that base, pat it in so that it becomes tacky and ready for the eyeshadow we're about to apply. So going in with the eyeshadow, we're taking the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking that red color and I'm using that to outline the cut crease shape that I'm going for. So I'm going for a winged out cut crease shape today, so I am stenciling it out first just to make sure that it's even on both sides before I start going in and blending. So just to make it easier for you, if you have trouble with cut creases, just stencil it out first and then go in and blend it out. And now that I have created my shape, I'm going in with the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm using that to blend out that red. Okay, so going in with that orange color, I'm taking another Morphe M506 brush and I'm using that underneath the red, but also slightly on top of it as well, just to give me a little bit more depth to that red. And then I'm going in with that reddish brown color, and I'm using, I think this is a M507 brush from Morphe, and I'm using that to define the crease, so when we cut it, it's really defined. I'm also bringing that tone a little bit up to meet the red as well, and then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just blend it all together. And this is what you would get when it's all blended out. So going in with the Clinique makeup balm, I think that's what it's called, the makeup melting balm. I'm putting that on the back of my hand, and I'm getting a flat brush and I'm coating my brush with that, and then I'm going to outline the crease shape, not the crease shape, the lid shape that I want to create on my lids. So I'm going to use the balm to outline it, and then I'm going to take a paper towel. I think I took, yeah, a paper towel. I ran out of wipes, so I just took a paper towel, but usually I'd use wipes, but for now we're just going to take a paper towel and we're just going to clean our lid space. Because we're going in with a lighter color, I want the lid to be pretty clean, as you can see there. So I am going back in with the Plouise base in Rumor 4, but I mixed it with Rumor 0, which is the white base. The white base is a little bit more thicker than the skin tone bases, so just to make it a little bit more thicker, I mix those two together, and then I'm carefully tracing my crease. You want to go pretty slow with this and take your time. You don't want to rush this at all. I'm going in sections just to make it easier for me. And then after we cut the crease, I'm just going to take a flat brush and just pat it all down to just remove some of the excess base so that it doesn't like clump up on your eyelids. So going in with that kind of like tannish color, I use that color on my eyelids, and then I'm going back in with that red tone that we use just towards the outside of the crease shape. I wanted the crease shape to be defined all the way through. So I took the reddish brown and just blended it towards the outside. And then I went back in with that color just to clean up the edges right there, as you can see. And then just to make sure that it's sharp, I went back in and cleaned up the edges. And this is what you would get. So after applying my foundation, concealer, and powder, I went back in with that color that we used in the crease, that reddish brown, and I used that on my lower lash line. And then I took the Jordana eye pencil in jet black and I used it to tightline my eyes and also on my waterline. And then I went back in with the reddish colors just to blend everything out on the lower lash line. You want everything to be balanced with the top as well. So going in with that kind of warm shimmer color, I'm using that in my inner tear duct. And then I'm just going to, what am I doing now? Oh, I'm taking the reddish color and the orange and I'm mixing those two, and I am using that as my blush. Then going in with the Morphe bronzer in the shade Leader, I'm using that as my bronzer, and I'm also going to blend out that blush a little bit more so that it doesn't look so harsh. And for lashes, these are the Amore Beauty lashes. They're from my cosmetics line. If you guys want to check them out, I will leave the link to everything down below. But they are in the style Princess. I really love them. They're super cute. But after setting my face with the Morphe setting spray, I let it dry down just a bit, and then I took the Real Technique sponge just to pat in that spray, just to lock everything in. And then after applying my lashes, I am moving on to lips. So I took the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 15 just to outline my lips. And then I took the Plouise base, the colored base in the orange shade. And I also took the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 10.5. And I mixed those together and applied them on my lips. But I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, so I took the Makeup Revolution concealer again in 10.5 and just put that just to lighten it up a bit. And then I took the NYX gloss. It's in the shade Cheap Thrills, and I put that right on top, and that is the lip. And this is the final look, you guys. Eyes, lashes, lips, eyebrows, face, everything. I know I didn't show you guys in the video what I applied on my face, but I wanted the focus to just be on the eyes. But yeah, this is everything done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know Thanksgiving just passed. It was literally yesterday. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who continuously support me through and through. Everyone who continuously watch my videos. I love you guys so much, and you guys mean so much to me. But yeah, this is it, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to support your girl. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace. Yeah.